This is gonna be the first flight of the Holy Stone HS110D. Oh snap. Oh, engine start. Okay. Oh.
Let's go.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh!
Oh. What? I wasn't trying. What just happened just then?
Did it flip?
Okay.
The left and right, so left and right tilt.
Watch out. This is backwards to what I've got right now.
So it is? So bring it down. With your left, put it down.
Look at all the coming back. How do I turn this down?
Turn one down.
Oh, this is start landing. Oh!
Alright. He's like, I'm just gonna do
Oh, man.
it. That's cool.
I didn't know what I was doing, but that was awesome. That roll thing was crazy. Oh, God. Does it fall when you let go? No. It falls a little bit. Let's see. I need to get over here. Remember when I flew it right through the scrim?
So you do your back tilt.
I wasn't here.
Well, then land it. Just hit land.
Right there, I'm gonna land it. Watch out, I'll just get
Okay. Oh wait, you're over the shelves. Now land it right there.
I'm probably gonna crash this. It is. So let's see, it's drifting left. Oh. I can't get it out of there.
Yeah.
Have to. Okay. Alright. What? We've lost a couple of cars.
That was cool though.
Watch out.